Ever wondered what it takes to unveil not one, not two, but 7 diverse streams of income in the ever-evolving landscape of 2024? Well, you're in for a treat. Join me on this journey as we dive deep into the intricacies of my 7 income streams that have not only shaped my financial landscape but could potentially redefine yours. Let's get started. Method 1. E-commerce. Alright, let's delve deeper into the realm of one of the most lucrative income streams on the internet, the e-commerce business. Imagine being tethered to a full-time e-commerce job, yearning for a way out. That's when the beacon of hope emerges in the form of your own e-commerce venture. The essence of this venture lies in strategically identifying products with the potential for a low purchase price and a high resale value. The pivotal platforms in this entrepreneurial journey: eBay, Amazon, and Shopify. It's a refreshingly simple process. Navigate to a platform like Alibaba.com, connect with a reliable supplier in China, negotiate favorable terms, acquire products at a compelling rate, and seamlessly ship them to prime markets such as the UK, USA, Canada, Germany, Australia, essentially any region teeming with avid online shoppers. The brilliance unfolds in the strategy of acquiring products at a lower cost from China and listing them at a premium on globally renowned platforms like Amazon, eBay, and Shopify. This e-commerce model is a testament to the power of globalization and digital connectivity. It's not merely about products, it's about leveraging international markets and catering to the ever-growing community of online shoppers. By synchronizing the process of buying low and selling high, entrepreneurs can carve a profitable niche in the e-commerce landscape, ultimately paving the way to financial independence and breaking free from the constraints of a conventional e-commerce job. Method 2. Affiliate marketing. Now let's pivot into our second income stream, the dynamic world of affiliate marketing and the enticing realm of affiliate commissions. If the term is unfamiliar, allow me to simplify it for you. Affiliate marketing revolves around the promotion of products and services that you don't own yourself. The fascinating twist comes when you realize that you can elevate your affiliate income to staggering heights. We're talking $10,000, $15,000, or even a dazzling $20,000 every single month. The secret to success in this domain? Enter search-based affiliate marketing, a strategy that's as ingenious as it sounds. Here's the game plan. Scout for highly searched affiliate products and secure those coveted affiliate links from platforms such as Amazon Associates, Impact.com, and PartnerStack. What sets this approach apart is its simplicity, making it one of the easiest online businesses to launch. No need to wrestle with creating your own product, assembling a team, or navigating through convoluted processes. Instead, you tap into the pulse of the market, identifying those red-hot, high-demand products using tools like Google Trends. Once armed with your affiliate links, the goal is straightforward. Ensure they land in front of individuals actively seeking information about the products you're endorsing. While there's certainly more nuance to this business model, its inherent simplicity is the catalyst that positions it as a resounding success for anyone embarking on their online income journey. Method 3. Building a YouTube channel. Now let's dive into my third income source, and it's a platform that ignites my passion: YouTube. The magic of starting a YouTube channel is rooted in the ability to forge connections with like-minded individuals who share a genuine interest in the content you produce. There's an unparalleled joy in creating content that resonates with your audience, fostering a community that engages and grows. What adds an extra layer of delight to this venture is the avenue of earning through Google AdSense. For those unfamiliar, Google AdSense is the mechanism behind those ads that pop up while you're engrossed in YouTube videos. Every time one of those ads graces the screen, the content creator, in this case yours truly, earns a slice of that ad revenue. The real magic unfolds when you realize that your YouTube channel becomes a perpetual source of income. Craft compelling content, build up your channel with quality material, and you can continue reaping the rewards from your videos, even those you uploaded years ago. It's akin to a gift that keeps on giving, turning your past efforts into a present and future revenue stream. The YouTube platform not only serves as a canvas for creative expression, but also as a dynamic income generator, creating a synergy of passion and profit. Method 4. Investing. Now let's delve into another pivotal stream of income: investment income. For instance, let's paint a picture where you've wisely diversified your investments across a spectrum of assets, spanning both physical and digital realms. A substantial portion finds its way into established entities such as the S&P 500 and other robust index funds. The orchestration of these investments involves managing a diverse portfolio, some kept private and others conveniently tracked through user-friendly apps like Trading212. As evidenced by my Trading212 account, a commendable sum of $23,000 is judiciously invested, yielding a tidy profit of around $1,600. The allure of this income stream lies in its hands-off nature. The entire process is seamlessly automated, with the invested funds flowing effortlessly into various index funds, rendering it one of my most passive income sources. If you're enjoying this deep dive into income streams, show some love by hitting that like button. It's like a virtual high five. Our channel is all about building a community dedicated to financial empowerment. While you're at it, explore our other videos. We've got a wealth of knowledge waiting for you. Now let's get back to uncovering these income gems. Method 5. Niche authority websites. Now let's talk about another avenue of income, niche authority websites. For those of you wondering, what's that and how does it bring in money? It's pretty straightforward. It boils down to creating a website dedicated to a specific niche, and filling it with articles related to that niche. One of the more reliable sites is www.successwithbus.com. It's a straightforward site where you can regularly publish articles on the topic of online business. Everything from starting an online business, especially e-commerce, to guides on selling on eBay and diving into affiliate marketing. Now, how does this translate into income? Well, there are a couple of ways. First up, Google AdSense. You can strategically place banner ads on your site, and whenever someone clicks on those ads, you can pocket a portion of the ad revenue. Think of it as a similar mechanism to a YouTube channel. The second avenue is through affiliate marketing. Just link various articles on your website to affiliate products. Affiliate marketing in this context becomes one of the most passive income sources. People are directed to your site organically, making it a smooth sailing for earning through affiliate links. And guess what? There's one more trick up my sleeve: selling your own products. Primarily digital products, they round off the diverse ways these niche authority websites bring in income. It's about leveraging the power of focused content and turning it into a revenue-generating powerhouse. Method 6. Selling digital products. Let's dive into our next income stream, selling digital products online. Currently, we've got a lineup of different digital products in our arsenal, ranging from online courses to PDF guides and ebooks. What I love about this avenue is the ability to create a high-quality digital product just once, and watch it become a consistent source of income month after month, year after year. Sure, you might need to tweak and update it occasionally depending on the nature of the product, but the beauty lies in the fact that you're not dealing with inventory. Building a digital product requires an upfront investment of time and effort, but the potential payoff is immense. Once it's out there on the internet, you can sell it repeatedly, whether it's 1,000 copies or 10,000 copies. It becomes a scalable income stream, allowing you to generate a substantial profit without the hassle of managing physical goods. It's an approach I highly recommend for anyone looking to establish a reliable online income source without the complications of inventory management. Method 7. Starting newsletters. And now, let's explore the final online business venture, newsletter-based businesses. Here's a quick breakdown of how they operate. Individuals sign up to receive valuable emails tailored to the specific niche of the newsletter. From there, it becomes your team's responsibility to consistently deliver informative content, addressing the needs of the subscribers. The beauty of newsletters lies in their versatility. Whether it's a newsletter for one of your physical product e-commerce businesses or a digital venture, the earning potential comes from the methods I've shared in this video. For physical product businesses, we can generate income by promoting and advertising the products directly to the newsletter audience. On the digital side, we can leverage affiliate marketing, promoting products relevant to the newsletter's niche. Owning a newsletter provides a direct line of communication with subscribers. It's a win-win situation for all parties involved. Subscribers benefit from valuable content and insights into beneficial products or services. Meanwhile, for those considering starting a newsletter-based business, it offers the opportunity to organically build relationships with subscribers and reap the rewards of the business's revenue. As we wrap up this exploration of income streams, a massive thank you for joining the Pivot Online community on this journey. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and become an integral part of our Pivot Online family. We're here to empower your financial journey. Thanks for watching, liking, subscribing, and being a crucial part of our community. Until next time, this is Pivot Online signing off.